Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to replace text in Word document. Drag and drop Docx text replace action from activities. Drag and drop message box action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set input Word file property of Docx text replace action. Set output Word file property of Docx text replace action. Set pattern property of Docx text replace action. Set replacement property of Docx text replace action. Set text property of message box action to point to save format property from Docx text replace. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.